Thunderbolt and the Hartzell propeller from Piqua, Ohio. It is a combination that is unbeatable in aviation. Hartzell propeller, around since 1917 when the Hartzell Lumber Company built propellers for the early Wright brothers aircraft. Ladies and gentlemen, as he comes out of the cockpit, I want you to give him a huge round of applause. Give it up for Michael Goulian! And ladies and gentlemen, it is Michael's birthday tomorrow. Let's sing him happy birthday today. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Michael. Happy birthday to you. Congratulations, Michael. He's 20 years old. Just kidding. But he's not much older than that. He's a young whippersnapper. I think he could probably be my son.